to my channel. So today I was planning on doing kind of like a favorites video, but then I have a collab due in 2 days that I forgot about, so I figured I could do like a 2 birds with 1 stone type video. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. It's a color collab that's been going on probably for about a month and a half now, and every week we pick a different color. This week's color is indigo, which up until just probably maybe 30 minutes ago I had no idea what it was, but now I do. So I think I have everything planned out that I'm going to do. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Amanda Marie. Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to get notified every time I upload, go ahead and hit the notification bell. And if you want to get to know me better, you can follow me on all my social media. I'm active on Facebook and Instagram, and I think that's it. So I don't want to make this video super long. I do have to do a full face, so I am just going to get started, and I'm just going to get started by going in with I'm going to start with my eyes, because I'm going to use my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and there's a fallout situation with that. So to prime my eyes, I am going to go in with my MAC paint pot in the color Painterly, which is still the original paint pot that I got a few months ago, and it's still pretty full. I don't know if you guys can see. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. I think I'm getting sick, so if I clear my throat and cough and sneeze and sniffle a lot, I'm sorry. But last winter and the winter before, I didn't get sick at all, so I feel like I'm making up for it this winter because I am constantly sick. This will be like my 3rd cold. Damn pharmacy. So the colors, I'm going to do indigo and yellow. And I'm going to take this yellow from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use this right in my crease. And I'm using my Morphe M504. It's just a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that into my crease. And I forgot my good mirror, so I have to use like a little mirror, which is okay, because then I won't be hiding behind my mirror the whole time like I always do. If you want to see some of the other collabs that I've done, they're all on my Instagram, and I'll link that down in the description for you guys to see. I do post on there. I try to post, you know, like 3-4 times a week. So I'm going to take a denser brush. I just got this brush. This is the Morphe M321 brush, and it is like one of my favorite brushes. It's just a dense brush. It really picks up color, and it, you know, it just applies it really nice. So, okay, all right. So now time for the indigo. I am gonna cut my crease. I was thinking maybe don't cut my crease, but I think I am gonna cut it because I think it will just be better. So to cut my crease, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer brush. It's just a round. This one works really good because it's round. And the HD, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I like this because it's white. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lid and look up. All right, and then put some on the back of my hand. started doing cut creases, I used to set my eyes every time. I used to set the foundation or the concealer on my eye, but I don't anymore because I don't know, I feel like it just makes it more difficult to apply the shadow. This is my favorite brush for applying shimmers. This is the Morphe 617, nope, the Morphe 167, and it's kind of fluffy, it's kind of dense, and it's shaped really well. That's all I have to say about it. It's just a great brush for applying shimmers. And I am using the Milani Make It Last setting spray because I ran out of my Fix Plus. I haven't had a chance to go get it yet. So, according to Google and a couple of my friends, indigo is a bluish purple. So I think I'm gonna kind of go in with these two colors right here, more with the blue and then just a little bit of the purple, and just kind of mix those. I'm just going to darken that up a little bit with the blue. And any kind of flub that I do over there, I can fix because I haven't done my face yet. So I guess that's as good as it's going to get. I really just want to make sure that when I take pictures it doesn't look patchy, because I've had issues with this palette before where the pictures have not been very flattering. So I need to make sure that I have enough shadow. I have that done there, and I'm just gonna go and do the same thing to my other eye. So now I'm going to do my face. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. It is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir, and it is in the color Creamy Natural. This is like, I don't know, $8, $9, and it has a really pretty finish. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this on. And this is my Morphe blender, which I just got this weekend, and I love, 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 love it. And I'm gonna put lashes on too, so that little blip on my face won't be so bad. All right, so I'm gonna go in with concealer. And that is my go-to concealer, the ColourPop No Filter. I almost broke and bought Shape Tape this weekend, but I just can't justify $30 on a concealer when the ColourPop one works so well for me. I can't do it. This is the Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder in light medium. It took me a while to get on the Fit Me bandwagon, but I'm glad that I'm here now because I love this. I love this powder. It does not. It doesn't make me wrinkly. It doesn't. I don't know. It's a really good, affordable powder. I mean, I tried the Laura Mercier powder. I had it for a while. That stuff is expensive AF, and I'm telling you, I did not like it as much as this. Like, it just didn't do anything different. I mean, maybe it wasn't quite as drying, but it wasn't worth, it just wasn't worth it to me, I don't think. All right, so I'm gonna go in and contour a little bit, and this is actually my first time using this. This is the Morphe bronzer in the color Debutante. I don't know if you guys can see that, and it's probably backwards, but I don't know how you say it. I'm just gonna put it on my face. It's so cute. It's such a little one. It's just like this looks really pigmented. I'm actually a little nervous. Okay, I'm not gonna panic. Wow. Yeah. So about this. Okay. 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 Where did that other brush go? Here it is. Let's just blend this out a little bit and hope that it gets better. It's actually not too bad. It's not too bad. We'll soften it up with some of that Fit Me setting powder. We are gonna fix this. Oh my God, it's crazy. I don't know why I have to go and like try new things. Like why I can't just stick with what works. I've been using like a Fit Me cream stick, you know, like foundation, just the Fit Me foundation stick in a really dark color, and that's what I've been using to contour, and I don't know why I feel the need to have to switch it up because it worked just fine for me, but no, I had to go and get Morphe stuff. All right, let's do this. And then this will get better with blush. For this look, I am going to use my Note blush, which I use all the time. This is like one of my favorite blushes. I will never pan this. It is the smallest blush. It's so tiny. But literally, like, I like tap my brush onto it. It's so pigmented. So I'm gonna have this for the rest of my life. What now? Eyebrows. That's what now. I'm gonna go ahead and with my little mirror. Okay. So I'm going to, this is my tried and true. This is my e.l.f. brow pen. Love this. Use it all the time. Works perfect for me, so I feel no pressure to fix it. You know, like if it's not broke. I keep shutting that mirror like I'm done with it, but I'm not done with it. I don't know why I keep doing that. I don't know why I keep shutting it. Is my BH. I have a Morphe one just like it. No preference. They both do the same exact thing. And I'm going to use this Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette. And I am going to highlight it in yellow. Also, I'm going to do my inner corner with the yellow. All right, and I'm going to go throw some lashes on. And then I'll come back and fix my under eye and throw some lipstick on. And we're done. Okay, so there's my lashes applied. And I'm just gonna do the yellow under the eye. That's not the right yellow. This is the right yellow. Going back in with this yellow again, just to do this is the Maybelline Master Chrome. This is like one of my favorite drugstore highlighters. It is super blinding. I don't know if you can see it on there, but it's, and then lipstick, and I'm done. Okay, so there's my final look. I don't know, I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna go take some pictures and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm exhausted. But if you liked today's look, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next Friday. I love you guys. Bye.